Hey, I'm Chris. Welcome to Chris Creates the World. Recently, I graduated from university, stopped working, and booked a one-way ticket to Europe. This summer, I'm going to bring you along as we discover new people, places, and food. And hopefully, by living my dream, I can inspire you to create the world you want to live in. On this channel, we do everything from paddleboarding to eating Parisian pastries, and might even go to a music festival or two. Some of the places we are going include Normandy, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, Bavaria, and beyond. Come and see the world we're creating today.
Hey gang, what's going on? So hope you enjoyed Mont Saint Michel in the last video. We're still in Brittany, France today. So I'm at a Workaway. What that is they give me free room and board, and then I help them out for 5 hours a day for 5 days a week. That's kind of the rough plan on most of them. Been pretty good. I've done some wood staining, and then I also helped pour some concrete and make a little patio area. This particular Workaway, they have some gîtes. I had never heard of these before. Basically, they're French holiday homes or vacation rentals that are just these old countryside little homes that you see. They rent out a couple of them, and so they're kind of doing some renovation on them, and so I'm here helping them out with that. So it's actually been a pretty good experience. I've had a ton of fun getting to know them. I've got to see more of the countryside than I thought and see another kind of French side of life. With that, I wanted to take you on a little tour today through the French countryside and go on a bike ride through Brittany to a small town called Béziers. Might be saying that wrong, but it's cool. It's got a little cathedral. We're gonna go in and stop at a little bakery and just a little POV video, like you're riding your bike through France and stopping in this little French town. This is our ride today, the Rally USA design, 21 speed. Hope you enjoy. Let's get out on the road. Thick smell of manure, we'll say. Whew, that's terrible breathing that in. As with any major medieval town, the church is at the town center. So this is the chapel at Béziers. Show you a little bit of the inside. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Un croissant?
Un croissant?
Un pain chocolat à almondé?
Oui.
Ou du... Qu'est-ce que c'est? Chouquet?
Des chouquettes?
Chouquet?
Oui.
Deux.
Deux?
S'il vous plaît.
3 euros, s'il vous plaît. Merci.
Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, bonne journée.
Bonjour.
Au revoir. Bonjour.
I'm gonna get so fat in France. Not too bad though. Able to order in French for the most part. I don't know exactly what we got, to be honest. We got a croissant, something that looked like chocolate and almond, and then 2 of these little things that I've been getting that I don't know what they are. They're just like bread balls with like this sugar stuff on it. I don't know, it's good. Anyways, this is the pain au chocolat ou almond, I think. And this is bread with almond and chocolate, I think. Definitely almond. Ooh, this is so thick though. This is like so heavy. There's chocolate on the inside. So cool. I don't think I'll be able to finish this in one sitting. But these are the little crochet ball things. I asked her what it was, how to say it. On the inside, I was like, how do you say this? She told me. I already forgot. So yeah, these are super good. I've been loving these while I've been here. So enjoy. It's like just light, airy bread with like sugar crystals on top. And of course, next to the baguette, the most French piece of bread. Light, flaky croissant. Always a staple, always a classic. This one is so flaky, just pulling apart, getting everywhere. It's buttery, flaky, crisp, perfect. Everything that you would want in a good croissant. I'll be honest, it tastes similar to the little rolled-out ones. You know, like the ones in the can that you can roll out. It's similar to those, but like 1,000 times better. Best part about France is those bakeries, dude, and they're so cheap. All that is 3 euros. 3 euros. All of that. But that is basically Bazouge. Just a quick little ride through the country, stop at a bakery, just a little taste of rural France for you. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, if you want to stay in a gîte, I'll put in a link down and below where you can look up different kinds of gîtes in different places. But honestly, this is some of my favorite part of being around here, is just wandering around. It looks just like the World War II movies. It's beautiful. Brittany's awesome. You can get down here, absolutely do it. Super close to Mont Saint-Michel. If you want to see that video, I'll put it in one of these. But yeah, I've also got Amazon links for all of my gear, camera stuff, whatnot, travel stuff down there, so check that out. And this video, since it is so French and whatnot, I figured better go with someone that's been here before. So this video is dedicated to Paul and Lisa Salisbury. Thank you guys so much for everything all throughout the years. Yeah, appreciate it. Your generous, kind support for me and the channel and my family. You guys are the best. This one goes out to you guys. But remember, you are the ruler of your own destiny. You determine your life. No one makes the rules but you. So go out there, accomplish your dreams, chase whatever it is that motivates you. And above all, go create the world. That's what makes us humans be. Shine on, shine on. Biking through the countryside of France. I just drove past some cows. And I was thinking, what if cows actually understand us perfectly and they can talk back at any moment, but they're just too not willing to put up with our crap, so all they do is just groan at us. And we're just like, You know what I mean? They're just like a teenager or something, instead of like a real there's a little bit of what goes on in my mind. There you go. Anyways, have a great day.